Welcome to Lifestyle and Creation. Today we'll talk about the country's first SUV connected SUV, Venue. It is 2020 model with added IMT technology.
So friends, here I am to present the wild beast in the city with Lifestyle and Creation. So here comes the Kia Sonet.
The front of Venue is having polished radiator grille with Hyundai logo. It is coming with projector headlamps with cornering, DRL lights and very much stylish side lights. And very important feature, it is coming with projector fog lamps. This character lines giving an impression of a big SUV and enhancing the performance and looks of the vehicle.
Here we are here to present, this is the first GT line, the top variant of the model. You can see the character line over here that represents clearly represents the wildness of the car. Coming to the Kia signature wild variety, that is the tiger nose grille is the signature for the Kia. With that we are having this crown projector headlamps, with that having the fog lamps that are the projector fog lamps. We are having the first in the segment indicator, turn on indicator lights that are DRLs. That is the first in the segment, the DRL turns into a turn on indicator. Having the 4 sensors, that is the parking part.
Hyundai Venue comes with 3 engine options, 2 in petrol and 1 in diesel. This engine is world's best performing engine, turbo GDI engine. It generates 120 PS of power at 6000 RPM.
So here comes the heart of the wild beast, the engine part. The engine part comes in 4 variants, that is 1.2 liter petrol engine, 1 liter turbo petrol engine. We are having 1.5 liter WGT engine that is in diesel and 1.5 liter BGT engine that is also in diesel. So we are having 4 variants to choose the beast, the wildness of your car.
Venue comes with 17 inches diamond cut alloy wheels, and Venue has got the largest wheelbase of 2500 mm in its segment. It has integrated turn indicator and integrated roof rails, which increases the sporty looks of the vehicle.
So coming to the side profile of the car, this is the GT line of Sonet, the wild beast. You can see the combination of black cladding in the car from the beginning to the end, and with this golden color, itself is a style statement in the road. But you will get this red strip only in the GT line part. Coming to the wheelbase of the car, this is 2500, and the ground clearance of the car, which is quite normal 15-inch crystal cut alloy wheel caps.
Venue has got dynamic rear. It has shark fin antenna mounted on the roof, high mount stop lamp, rear parking sensors with camera, and 350 liters of boot space, one of the highest in its segment.
Coming to the rear part of the car, you will get the high mounted stop lamps, the rear combination LED lamps for stopping. You will get rear defogger, rear demister, you will get rear wiper also. So see the combination of black and beige in the car. Opening the boot space of the car, and it's my pleasure to show you the extravagant boot space. You will get 390 liters boot space in this car.
Hyundai Venue steering wheel is very handy. It is integrated cruise control, and it has steering mounted audio controls. The all new Venue 2020 has 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which offers you inbuilt navigation with multi-functions like BlueLink technology. It has features of Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, BlueLink telematics, and reverse parking camera. Screen offers you very exciting features called DRVM. You can see at the rear of the vehicle at the time of driving. It is coming up with a fully automatic climate control system which take care of the chillness of the car, and all the touch points are very much in reachable, and that gives you a very peppy driving. Now I would like to show you the electric sunroof, which is one of the highlights of Venue. Hyundai has recently launched IMT technology. It is intelligent manual transmission technology, which offers you clutchless manual transmission driving pleasure. You don't need to change gears by pressing clutch. It has no clutch, that gives you more driving pleasure. And the steering wheel is tilted for driving comfort. This is also coming up with wireless charger.
Hi everybody, we are inside the beast. When it's come to the starting point, this is the steering, that is the D-shaped steering. It is having the telescopic as well as tilting view, and we are also having cruise control on the right hand side, reset button, the power changing, the volume control mode. So coming to the left hand side, there is steering mounted volume control, auto picker for your phone. So coming to the transmission part, this is the transmission part. We are having the parking, rear, neutral and drive mode. You can also shift on wheel is also there, and this is auto AC. This is cockpit oriented design in this car. You can have this USB control, and the display, you can see if you want to have a display, auto illumination is over there. In the home screen you have three parts. One is showing the clock, another is for FM, and another is for this GPS control. This is GPS. You can, as well as you can choose your destination, everything completely given. So this car comes with another feature, that is UVO. UVO is a software. Your phone will be connected, your smartwatch will be connected with UVO. Now coming to the roof part, they are having a nice electric sunroof to take the fun of the sky. If you want to have the fun of the sky while driving, so you can have it. Or so
Cabin space of Venue is very roomy. It has got ample legroom, headroom, shoulder room, and it has come with detachable headrest. And the very beautiful feature like rear AC vent is also coming in Venue for passenger convenience at rear seat.
So coming to the rear portion of the car, you will have this special feature, which is very important feature in this COVID condition. This car comes with virus protection ultraviolet ray, which is not available in any car. I am not talking about that this car can protect you from COVID, but this is air purifier with ultraviolet protection. And this car comes with a rear AC vent, and this car comes with a rear charger for USB port. This car also having a very special thing. While driving, your back passengers can take rest and sit comfortably in this.
I hope you subscribe to Lifestyle and Creation. As and when the new video comes, you will get an intimation, and do subscribe. They are lovely people, lovely set of people on board. You will enjoy it, and they do come across something always nice and something you people have not seen, or something which is new in Calcutta. It's always been roped in by Lifestyle and Creation. Do subscribe to them. Thanks, Itan. Enjoy yourself. Have a nice evening.